Today's math lesson is titled My Calendar. Isabel uses the calendar on her electronic tablet to keep track of her appointments. She used the calendar to solve the problems. This week, Isabel works the 7th, 8th, 9th, 11th, and 12th. Circle the days Isabel works. So we're looking for these dates on this calendar. Let's start with the first date. Isabel works the 7th. Do you know where the 7th is on the calendar? Great job. This is the 7th. Let's move on. Isabel works the 8th. Do you know where the 8th is on this calendar? Awesome. Yes, this is the 8th. Isabel works the 9th. Do you know where the 9th is on this calendar? Nice job. That is the 9th. Isabel works the 11th. Do you know where the 11th is on this calendar? Yes, that's the 11th. And lastly, Isabel works the 12th. Do you know where the 12th is on this calendar? Correct. That is the 12th. Let's continue. It is Monday the 7th. Isabel's first day off is 3 days away. What is the date of Isabel's day off? So they're saying that it's Monday the 7th. So let's find Monday the 7th on this calendar. Sunday, Monday. That means the 7th is somewhere along this column. Is this the 7th? No. Is this the 7th? No. Is this the 7th? Yes. This is Monday the 7th. So Isabel's first day off is 3 days away. So we have to count. This is our start, and we want to know the end. The end is 3 days away. So let's count. Get ready? 1, 2, 3. So what is the date of Isabel's day off? If today is Monday the 7th and her first day off is 3 days away, 1, 2, 3. Isabel's day off is on the 10th. This is the 10th. This is the 12th. This is the 9th. Can you circle the 10th? Yes. A is the 10th. Let's move on. On her day off, Isabel is taking her dog to the park. What day is she going to the park? So we know that her day off is on the 10th. We want to know what day of the week that falls under. So let's look at the 10th. Make an arrow going up. It shows Thursday. That means on the 10th, it will be a Thursday. And on that Thursday, Isabel will take her dog to the dog park. So what day is she going to the dog park? Monday, Wednesday, or Thursday? Yes, she's going Thursday to the dog park. It is Tuesday the 15th. Isabel is going to see a movie with her best friend on the 19th. What day of the week will Isabel go to the movie theater? So first, let's find the 15th on the calendar. We know that it's on a Tuesday. So let's go to our calendar. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Now somewhere in this column is the date the 15th. Is this the 15th? No, that's the 8th. Is this the 15th? Yes. This is Tuesday the 15th. Now, Isabel's going to see a movie with her best friend on the 19th. So let's look for the 19th. Let's count. 15, 16, 17, 18th, 19th. So on this date, Isabel will go see a movie with her best friend. Now they want to know what day of the week will Isabel go to the movie theater. So we want to know what day of the week she will go to the movies. So we know the date. We're going to do the same thing. Draw an arrow going up, trying to find the day of the week, which is Saturday. So Saturday, Isabel will be going to the movies with her best friend. So which one of these answer choices say Saturday? This says Friday. This says Saturday. This says Sunday. Yes, B says Saturday. What day of the week will Isabel go to the movie theater? Saturday the 19th. It is Thursday the 10th. Isabel is going on a day trip with a friend 2 weeks from that date. What is the date of Isabel's trip? So let's find the 10th. We know that it's on a Thursday. So let's go to our days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Now we're looking for the date, the 10th. Is this the 10th? No. Is this the 10th? No. Is this the 10th? Yes. This is the 10th. Now, Isabel's going on a day trip with a friend 2 weeks from that date. What is the date of Isabel's day trip? So in 2 weeks, she's from this date, the 10th, she's going on her trip with a friend. So let's count. 1 week, 2 weeks. So 2 weeks from the 10th will be the date, the 24th. So what is the date of Isabel's day trip? The 3rd, the 17th, or the 24th? Yes, the 24th. On the 24th, Isabel will go on a day trip with a friend. Now, it is Saturday the 26th. Isabel is writing an email to a friend who visited 3 weeks ago. When did Isabel's friend see her? So we need to find the 26th, and we know that it's on a Saturday. So let's look at our days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now we're looking for the date, the 26th. Is this the 26th? Yes. So on this date, Saturday the 26th, Isabel's writing an email to a friend who visited her 3 weeks ago. So we need to go backwards 3 weeks. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. The 5th. So when did Isabel see her friend? The 5th, the 12th, or the 19th? Yes, the 5th. Isabel saw her friend on the 5th, and 3 weeks later, she was writing an email to that friend on Saturday the 26th. That's all for today's math lesson. Make sure to do your exit ticket at the end. Until tomorrow.